Okay guys, on 16th of January 2023, now you can see that this is our plush plant or chenille plant, and botanically you can call it as the echeveria pulvinata. Now you can see from all the sides we have a lot of stem cuttings available, and you can see that our one of stem cutting is very small while the other one is a bit good to be cut out. Now you can see that although the trunk is a bit naked, it do not used to have a lot of stem cuttings, and now we have to select one of our mature thing, and also you need to deviate it because weeds used to grow and they can suck certain nutrients from the soil media. Now you can also see that there is some moss growing inside the plant, and it's also not so much good because it can create certain water logging. Now we have taken our sharp blade, and it is my homemade blade. As you can see, I have welded it out. Now I am taking one of our cutting, and now this is our cutting which we want to propagate. Usually now this is the part where the wound is. Wound means that because when we used to cut it out, obviously there is wound and we have to dry it for like certain days. Now this is the small one and we are not going to take it off. Now it must be in shade. Do not use to put inside the sun so that it can burn out. On 1st of February 2023. Now after a lot of days have been passed and we have our stem is healed and its leaves are a little bit dried, especially the lower ones. Now you can see that our media is soggy, but it contains a lot of sand. So is echeveria pulvinata is a hardy plant, so no need to worry about. So we will take our media and we will put it inside our pot. Now you need to mix it well. Why it is so? Because we want a uniform drainage. Drainage means that once the water has been poured inside the pot, it used to ooze out from the bottom, and it must not be stored or locked. There are 12 holes in this disposable glass because we want all the water to move out. If there is any excessive water, it must not retain inside the pot. Now we have filled the media and it is soggy, so we are not supposed to water it out. Now we will just immerse our cutting inside this media, and after it has been done, we need to place it in the shade. And if it is like too much cold weather, then we can even put it in the sun. Now on April 20, 2023, after a lot of days has been passed, now I can see that our echeveria pulvinata cutting is propagated with success. Now we need to take it out. Now you can see that it has a very good root ball, although we can't see any sort of very good progress on the shooting side, but if roots are concerned, we have a lot of growth. Now you can see that from all sides we have got our cutting, and the results are real one. On some channels people just used to take certain already propagated ones, so for a single video we have to wait for about 2 and 2.5 months. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can propagate the plush or chenille plant or echeveria pulvinata from stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.